Hi, it's Christina from ChristinaPiccoli.com and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be revealing the shocking truth about Wealthy Affiliate. Doesn't that sound dramatic? It's really not. There's nothing shocking about Wealthy Affiliate, despite what you read on the internet. Not everything online is true, folks. Let's remember that. Okay, first I'm going to go through my review. Just really quickly, it's really long, we're not going to go through everything, I don't want you to be here for hours. Then I will take you to Wealthy Affiliate and I'll just show you around a little bit. So first I just wanted to point out that I mentioned here that you might come into my review and think that it's dumb because I'm a member and because I promote them that I make money from doing that. Well, yes, that's true, because that's what affiliate marketing is, and that's what Wealthy Affiliate teaches you. Now, the thing is, I could end up promoting anything I wanted. I just happen to really like Wealthy Affiliate. My main goal is to help you try to find a way to make money from home, get out of your 9 to 5, do something for yourself, just be able to have that freedom to work where and when you want to. And I just happen to think that Wealthy Affiliate is the best place to learn how to do that. I could promote anything I wanted and they'll teach you the same thing. You can promote anything that you want. You can promote roller skates. You can promote rabbit cages. I just have chosen to promote Wealthy Affiliate because I really want to help people get out of the rat race. Sorry about that. So I just wanted to clear that up first. I know that one of the complaints about Wealthy Affiliate is that the people who are members, who are promoting them, bash all the other programs out there and only say Wealthy Affiliate is the best. I don't do that. If something is good and useful and helpful, I'll promote that too. I use lots of different products. I use different trainers. I just think that Wealthy Affiliate is the absolute best place to get started. I just wanted to go a little bit into this. Wealthy Affiliate is really just an educational platform. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a pyramid scheme. It's nothing like that. They just have step-by-step training so that you can learn how to create your own website and learn how to make money from it. The owners of the website are Kyle and Carson, and they're great guys. They're very active in the community, especially Kyle. Carson's a little bit more on the back end with the technical aspects. I actually started Wealthy Affiliate in 2009, so it's been 10 years now, but the thing is, I've been off and on with them since that time. What happens sometimes is you come in, maybe it's not quite right for you at the moment. You might come back. To me, I just wasted a lot of time, to be honest. And I actually think you should not do that. You should come in, do the training, get yourself situated, practice. Sometimes you're going to fail a little bit. That's fine. What I did was I expected results too soon, and I gave up too soon. And that just delayed me so long. The people that signed up at the same time that I did, they're doing so much better than I am right now. So I want you to avoid doing that. You can be so much faster at this. Okay, let's see. So this just talks about the training. So actually I'm just going to go right into Wealthy Affiliate and just show you around a little bit. Let's pop on over. Here is my profile page. This just tells a little bit about me, and it shows my rank, and it also has people who are new to the community that we could go ahead and follow if we wanted to, and we can even go in and give them a personal note and say hi and welcome them to the community. Here is my dashboard. This is really interesting because this is where all of the people who are writing blog posts for today in Wealthy Affiliate, this is where they show up. And it's really fun to read about people's different successes or struggles. Some people have questions. There's a lot of great content just right on the front page here. Now let's go into training. So this is the training that Wealthy Affiliate offers. So when you're first getting started, you can join as a free starter member, which I definitely recommend, because that way you can see if the training is good for you, if you like it, if you like affiliate marketing, if you like Wealthy Affiliate. It's not for everybody, I understand that. So it's a great way just to see if it makes sense for you. And so when you join as a free member, this getting started course is available to you. So you'll get all of these 10 lessons at no cost. You don't need the premium membership for these 10 lessons. Now, if you decided that you love it and you wanted to keep going, then the premium membership, you'll also get all of these courses. And each one, I think, has 10 lessons. So in each of these, let's see if we go into this one, lesson 1, and you'll see that each lesson has these task areas where you can check it when you complete that task. So it makes it really simple. Everything is step by step. You learn as you're building everything out, and it just makes it so much easier to understand the entire process. If we go back to training, there's also this affiliate bootcamp. So this is for if you can't think of a topic that you want to try, you can always promote Wealthy Affiliate, and this is the training that is for that. And also as a free member, you would get these free these lessons free, and I believe that there's also 10 of these, or maybe there's just 7, but you get the first ones at no cost. My training activity just shows you what you have done. So training headquarters is just a breakdown of all the different courses. It's just a different way to organize them. And then classrooms, let's see, there's a bunch of additional training within the classrooms. Pretty much anything you have a question about, there's going to be a training on it. Not only through just the regular training that Kyle and Carson put up, but members can also post trainings, which is really awesome because some members have done things a little differently or they have a different style, and it's so great to learn from them. So websites, this is where you set up your website. So you can do hosting through Wealthy Affiliate. You get 2 free websites that you can host here as a free starter member. And you can host, once you're a premium member, you can host up to 25 of your own websites within Wealthy Affiliate at no additional cost, which is really awesome. I love hosting here because everything is just in one place and it's so easy to manage. And if you ever have an issue with site support, you would just click here. They are really, really great. They get back to you so fast, and they always are able to solve your issue really easily. Live events is one of my favorite things about Wealthy Affiliate. Every Friday, our trainer Jay, he goes by Magi Studios, he does different lessons on Friday nights. So this is just for premium members. But for instance, you can see coming up, let's see, at the time of this recording, coming up would be researching keywords. And I try to make every single one of these, even if it's a topic that I know, because there's always something in there that I'm not going to be aware of. Jay says he has a lot of tricks up his sleeve. He calls them ninja tricks. So I make sure to always try to get to those. Research, this is our keyword research tool. And again, it's just included within the premium membership. You can do research on certain keywords that you want to try to rank for in Google and the other search engines. This is a really, really great tool to have. Affiliate Programs is brand new and it's great. So let's say you want to find a product with high commissions. So you can come here, you can see what's on here, and then you can click on the program to view and see what's there. And then you can also follow it. You can do a review on the program. You can start it, we can review it to tell other people how good it is, or if there's any issues with the program. So this is new and this is really, really neat. That way you don't have to go out looking for, looking in Commission Junction or looking in ClickBank. You have the option just to go right into Wealthy Affiliate and take a look inside this affiliate programs section. Live chat is if you have questions or if you just want to chat with people and just say, hey, what's up? How's it going? What are you up to? This is the place to do it in live chat. Help Center is just where you can get site support or live chat. You can ask a question, which I just did today, or you can private message somebody. Private messaging, again, is for premium members, but it's a great option to have, and I've used it many, many times. I just have to say that my absolute favorite part of Wealthy Affiliate is the community. Anytime you have a question, anytime you need a helping hand, somebody is there and available. Let me just show you my last blog post. Let's see if I can get to it. 1 second. So I have a particular goal that I'm working toward, and I update everybody on my progress every month, and this was the one for May. And it just shows how my site's doing. But what's really cool is that if I scroll down, you can see that I've gotten a lot of support within the community. And this is great to have when you're building a business because it's not that easy. As many of those get rich quick, make $1,000 in your sleep, all those types of programs that are out there, it's not really like that. It's a lot of work. I think it's so fun. I think it's really fun work. I enjoy learning all these new things every day, but it's not easy. You can't just push a button and make money. So it's great to have support. It's great to have people who are really successful, like Chris is full-time. He accomplished the goal that I'm trying to accomplish, and so it's nice to have support from people who've been in your shoes. And even here, Kyle is the owner of the site, and he even commented, and it's nice to be encouraged from people at the top. So I just wanted to say that if there's anything that's different about Wealthy Affiliate, it's the community. It's bar none. It's so active. I know a lot of places have Facebook groups. They're not as good. They're not as active. This place is active. It's hopping 24/7. So I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on Wealthy Affiliate and why they're my number one, why I always promote them as my number one. There's no shocking secrets, I'm sorry to say. As you can see on the inside, there's not anything shocking. It's a really great program. They teach you how to create your own online business, and that's it. Great community. I love being on here. I'll gladly pay the membership fee. It's totally worth it to me. And that's it for now. If you have any questions, leave them for me below in the comment section. I'll also leave my Wealthy Affiliate Review link down there. And that's it. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.